Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of this box of goodies I just got from Mountain Rose Herbs. So thanks for being here. And now, how the heck am I gonna open this thing? This is dangerous. Yeah! Awesome. Okay, let's do this. So, Mountain Rose Herbs is typically where I order from. They are an awesome company, I believe in Oregon, and they have lots of organic herbs, and I just really love their values, their integrity. So if you're looking for a place to buy herbs, you can check out Mountain Rose Herbs. Let's see, so here we go. So I got a bunch of these awesome 2-ounce round tins. I'm going to put some of my salves in here. Typically I use 4-ounce glass jars, but I just wanted to try out the metal tins and see kind of what the vibe is with the tins, and also have the opportunity to give out and sell 2 ounces instead of 4. So stoked about those. Let's see, what else we got here? Oh yes, I have some ginger root bits. I'm really excited because I love ginger, and I've been wanting to make this ginger rose honey recipe that's in Cami McBride's The Herbal Kitchen. So I got the bits of ginger instead of getting the powder of ginger, because when you buy powdered herbs, because it's already broken down, there's more oxygen touching all of the bits of the herb, so it will go bad or, stale faster. So I like to buy whole or bits whenever possible, and then use a mortar and pestle or use my trusty Osterizer blender to blast it up and powder it right before I use it. So I am super excited about these beautiful ginger bits. I think I might use them for tea. And yeah, I really want to use them for the ginger honey as well. So excited about that. Eee! Okay, what else do we got? Oh yes, okay. Slippery elm bark. I love slippery elm. One of my good friends, Haley, actually shared with me that it's an endangered plant. You can actually use marshmallow root interchangeably with it for digestion, although I tried using the marshmallow root and I found that I just didn't like it as much. So I got some more slippery elm bark, and I'm just going to trust that wherever Mountain Rose is getting them for is sustainably sourced and responsibly harvested and all of that good stuff. So I'm really excited to have this back in my repertoire. I love to mix the slippery elm with hot water, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of stevia, and make like a really soothing tonic at night for my belly for digestion. Digestion is kind of one of my sensitive areas. So I love slippery elm for that. It coats the belly in a really just lovely, soothing way. So yay! Okay, let's see. Ooh, yes! Okay, I got a pound of mugwort here. I'll show you in a better way. A pound of mugwort! Yay! Mugwort is really beautiful. It's a lot of people use it for or associate it with dreams, dreaming. I also learned from one of my teachers that mugwort is a plant that when you mix it with other herbs will help the medicine penetrate deeper. So I want to use mugwort for my salves, my body oils, and I'll mix the mugwort oil with other oils, and that will, my intention is that will help the medicine in the other oil penetrate even deeper into the body and bring out more of the medicinal constituents. I also took a what is your herbal plant spirit medicine quiz or something, I think through Amber Magnolia Hill at mythicmedicine.love. Check her out, she's awesome. She has a lot of beautiful herbal stuff for sale and has an amazing podcast called the Medicine Stories Podcast. And she's just awesome and just a great person to learn from. So she has a quiz on her website, what is my herbal spirit medicine, I think. And me and my mom both got mugwort. So we decided to invest in some mugwort to use. You can also smoke this if you do herbal smoking blends with other things like damiana, So yeah, this will be a fun one to play around with. Okay, let's move that over here. Okay, Arnica. Okay, so this order is an order that's for me and also a good friend of mine. So she ordered some, I think this is 4 ounces of Arnica Flowers. Arnica is amazing for bruises, sore muscles, arthritis, swelling. So this is a great one to make body oil with. So yay for Arnica. And then, oh my god. Okay. This is so beautiful. If you watched my videos before or heard me talk about chamomile, you know that chamomile is like one of my favorite, absolute favorite herbs. I love chamomile tea. I love chamomile infused oil on my body. Just for me, it's one of the herbs that really just speaks to me, that I just feel super connected to. It has like a joyful, cheerful, comforting, mothering energy that I just love. This is the biggest bag of chamomile I've ever seen, the biggest bag I've ever bought. Really excited. This is huge. I'm super excited for this, so yay. And then the friend that I ordered for as well, she also got chamomile, massive bag for her as well. So super excited to make tea out of it, to make herbal drinks, to make body oil. I wonder what else I can do with it. Oh my gosh. Daydreaming of all the herbal things I can create. So yay! Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I hope you had fun. I hope it inspired you to create. I'm looking forward to when this is healed so that it can really jump back into all of this stuff. Also, I love that Mountain Rose, they always typically put in some good information. And like product care guide that kind of tells you how to make different like herbal bitters and fun things like that. So I really love that they just like provide other information to kind of help inspire you to make other things. They give you recipes. They have a lot of great recipes on their website as well and on their YouTube. So I'm not sponsored by them. I just love them and wanted to share this unboxing with you, since right now I'm not really doing a whole lot of creating, but I am still just really excited to have some new plants to work with. I haven't worked that much with mugwort. I've just burned it a little bit, like sort of like sage, but I'm excited to use it in some other ways. So yeah, thanks for being here. Hope you had fun, and see you soon. Bye!